Last thing we want to do with functions is to be able to determine if an equation is a function from its graph. And we're going to do that using what we call the vertical line test. And we're going to start with equations, and one of these is a function and one of them is not. A little bit of practice on determining whether we have a function from its equation or not. So hopefully you're remembering we want to solve for y. This first one, if we add x squared to both sides, we get y equals x squared minus 1. And this other one, we are going to add x squared to both sides, or I'm sorry, we're going to add x to both sides. We get y squared equals x minus 1, and then to get y by itself, we take the square root. So we get y equals plus or minus square root x minus 1. So we know that this first one, this is a function because we don't have that plus or minus out in front. Okay, so f of x equal to x squared minus 1 is a function. This other one, y equals plus or minus square root of x minus 1, is not a function. Now, here are the graphs of the two functions, and I'm going to add a little bit to the graphs here. We need arrows to show that these keep going in those directions. Okay. So you saw that this is called vertical line test, and the vertical line test tells us that if we draw a vertical line through a graph and it crosses more than once, then it is not a function. So vertical line through this one that we know is a function, draw a vertical line anywhere, it's only going to cross once. So that's what the vertical line test tells us, but let's look at kind of why that works. The one that is not a function, we take this value x equal to 5. All right, we can find the y values that correspond. So there's a y value there and there's a y value there. In fact, we can write those down. It's y equals 2 and y equals negative 2. So when we draw that vertical line, we're going through one value of x, and if it crosses more than once, it gives us more than one y value, which is what determines that it's not a function. Over on the one that is a function, right, if we draw that vertical line anywhere for any value of x, it's only going to cross once, which means there's only one value of y. So here's what the vertical line test says. It says a vertical line drawn through the graph of a function crosses it at most once. So let's look at some examples. All right, so let's look at graph A, and to test whether that is the graph of a function or not, we draw vertical lines. So we cross once here, once, and we can kind of see there's nowhere on that graph that we're going to draw a vertical line and have it cross more than once. And we look at the next graph, which is a line. Again, there's nowhere along that line that we're going to draw a vertical line and have it cross more than once. So these first two are functions. So A and B are functions because they cross at most once. Now, graph C, if we draw a vertical line, we are crossing more than once. Pretty much everywhere we draw that line, we're going to cross more than once. So C is not a function.